Okay, this is the Sentry Omega lockpicking. This is type 1, the earlier version of the lock where you've got a bullet ward which is inwards. This is a newer version, and this is a bullet ward that goes outwards. The one we're working on today is this lock, the type 1 version 1, and this key has a half moon cut. So in the pick, the tension tool, we have a half moon cut out. Okay, so we put that in all the way to the bottom. Okay, the lever leg is here. Now I found the best way to pick this lock is to flip your lever leg around here, and we can move the levers from the back. We can also move the levers in both directions from the back, so we can lift it up and down. So if you get a stiff lever and you've overlifted the lever, we can back it round. So tension. Okay, now let's start moving the levers. Back that around a bit. So I'm on the back of the lever now, the lever leg. Just keep going through. There we go, that's picked open. Okay, so at the moment I make these picks to order, they're custom made. This one I'm literally just made it, so we're testing it in a real lock, so I'll test it in a few different locks to make sure that everything's working correctly.